his name.
Jesus.
Come on, call out his name.
Jesus.
You can call out his name.
Jesus.
And he will come to you. He will when you call his name.
Jesus.
Just call out his name.
Jesus.
Just call out his name. And he will come to you. He will when you shout his name. Just shout out his name. Shout out his name. And he will run to you. Just shout out his name. The powerful name. The healing name. He will run to you. Oh God, we lose our selfish pride. And Lord, we fall down on our knees. We lift our hands to you and say, you're all we need. Yes, you are. You're all we need. You're everything. You're all we need. Jesus, you're all we need. So we sing glory to you in the highest place. Glory to you in the highest place.